I'm in Dubai Airport, ready to take off on my annual flight to Sydney and Auckland. This will be the second year I've travelled on the A380. Just time to get settled in, have a glass of champagne and anticipate the flight before we start the pushback and head out to the runway.
Welcome aboard this Emirates Airbus A380. Please pay attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. We are now preparing for takeoff. Your tray table, footrest and personal video screen should be folded away and your seat should be in the upright position. Baggage should now have been securely stowed in the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the seatbelt symbol is illuminated. Adjust the belt by pulling the strap and lift the metal flap to unfasten your belt. If you wish to sleep during the flight, please fasten the seatbelt over your blanket so that we will not have to disturb you. For safety reasons, it's forbidden to use any portable electronic devices during taxi, takeoff or landing. Mobile telephones and other radio equipment must remain switched off until you are told it is safe to use them by your cabin crew. Smoking anywhere on this aircraft is illegal and punishable by law. All toilets are fitted with smoke detectors. If oxygen is required, masks will appear from above you. Pulling the mask towards you starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your face and breathe normally. Attend to yourself first and then help others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the brace position appropriate to your seat. There is a life jacket under or to the side of your seat. When instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket when you are leaving the aircraft by pulling the two red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. You can use the whistle to attract attention and a light will automatically illuminate when in water. Before we commence our journey, take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest to your seat. There are 6 emergency exits on the upper deck of this A380 which are clearly marked in red. There are 10 emergency exits on the main deck, also marked in red. If required, lights at floor level will direct you to the doors. To remind yourself of the safety aspects of this aircraft, please read the safety card in your seat pocket. During the flight, we recommend you spend a few minutes each hour doing some simple in-seat exercises that will encourage healthy blood circulation and ensure you drink plenty of water. Your crew will now pass through the cabin carrying out a final check. Enjoy your flight with Emirates.
طائرة الإمارات. معلوماتكم مفردة من اليوم تكون العربية، الإنجليزية، الألمانية، التايلاندية، الفرنسية، المندرين، الروسية، البولندية.